Oh, I'm absolutely shitting myself. Right, go?
Yeah. Okay, hello people. So we left off in the last video, which is like 30 seconds ago, where we've just finished topping up the Forged CA. So we've just, well, it's got engine oil in it, it's got gearbox oil in it. We've just done all the wiring, and the wiring loom was awful. It was like just cracked, and just all the connectors were cracked. It wasn't fun. We spent hours doing the wiring loom. We think we've got it in the right position. An issue with this is that none of the colours match up, and so like all the connectors, like usually you would expect like one connector to only go on the other connector, but this one, like they're all the same connectors. So like you could easily just put like the coolant sensor into the idle control, or idle control into the coolant. Like you could easily mix up the injectors. Like it's a shit show of wiring, to be fair. And obviously with it being this car, there's no like decent wiring looms diagrams anywhere on the internet. So these are really confident it's gonna start first time. I just saw the state of that wiring, and I pray it does. Is it gonna start? Okay, so we've got the coil pads disconnected, right?
Yes.
Right, so Jack's gonna do the first crank. Oh my god, man, I'm shitting myself.
You ready?
No. Oh man, I'm so nervous.
Hang on to
It sounds so good.
It's got compression.
It sounds so. Oh, I've never heard an engine sound that hell. Oh my god. Did they all? That sounded sick. That sounded like a fucking 2J was gonna start off with some shit. Oh my god, no. It's gonna start. It's gonna start.
I tell you.
I've got butterflies, mate.
You know.
My heart is going like crazy.
That's your head. It's shaking. It's fucking shaking.
Oh my god. I don't even know if you can see me right now, people.
Yeah, they can see you. I can see you. Yeah, they can see you.
Oh, I'm absolutely shitting myself. So have you got
Good, baby, with the camera. Yeah, that's it. You went in the middle.
Oh, right, go?
Yeah.
Is it?
Oh my
It's about
god.
to get
We got fuel?
It's got fuel, I can smell that. You can
Yeah.
smell fuel.
I can smell the fuel. It's definitely getting fuel.
Yeah.
100%.
Right, so we've cleaned off one of the grounds, the coil packs.
So after lots of research and going on the Sylvia pages and speaking to people that we know, the only thing we can think of is that our igniter is faulty, and apparently it's a very, very, very common thing. In the garage said he's actually thrown out 5 of them. So it's pointing towards that. The 2 connectors that we thought were potentially the issue, because we didn't have anything plugged in there, apparently they're just stuff for ABS, so it's not a big deal. So I think we need to get one of those igniter looms, igniter coil pack, whatever the f. I'm too tired, so tired. Get one of them somehow, somewhere. We can't get one tonight, it's almost 11 o'clock. I feel so bad keeping these guys behind this long. But for now, we ain't starting.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Not tonight.
Not tonight. Right, so it's early the next day, guys. We have come. We're pretty sure it's some sort of a wiring issue, and we think it's down to, as we talked about yesterday, one of the igniters. Apparently they're terrible. So we've actually come to the main man, Neville, who has all the parts, and we're going to get a load of spare parts, and take them back and just plug and play and change some shit. So as you can see, everyone, Neville has all the parts for every Japanese car ever. So these are rare as rocking or shit. Neville's got about 100 of them just sat here. So we're going to take a few, aren't we, Neville?
I'll send you with that.
Yeah, what is that?
TPS.
Oh, is that on the throttle? Oh yeah, I've got one of them, but yeah.
It won't hurt to have more, mate.
Yeah, perfect. So Neville's just going to give me load of different ones. And then obviously just return ones which we don't need or don't work. So these are the igniter things that we're having troubles with. And we've got a couple of ECUs here as well, because I have read online that that could be the issue as well.
Because your car came to you as a non-runner,
Yeah.
it could be anything. Some people might damage plugs, they might damage parts. You know, it only takes someone to take the ECU off, drop it on the floor,
Then it's gone.
and it's gone. And you'll never know until you try another one. So take all that.
Yeah.
I can't think of anything else.
Thank you, Neville! Right, let's get back, Got a little, got the little throttle cable thing we need as well. Right, here we are. So we've just plugged on the little bracket for there, so now we have good throttle. So, first plan of action, just swapping an igniter.
Yeah, and try it.
Try it.
See what happens.
Right, new igniter is on. You tell me when we're going. Oh, I'm back nervous again. I'm back nervous again. Oh, okay. Okay, so
No, leave it on.
relays are clicking.
Yeah, check it.
That's okay. This is the third igniter we've tried. Second something of that we've tried. We now have a new ECU plugged in and it's bolted up. It has got a map on this ECU, so not doing any big sense with it. Now we're just going to make sure that we're actually getting full spark from each coil pack. From there, if we are getting spark, maybe look something towards the fuel route.
Yeah, we're gonna have to look down that way and make sure. I mean, it is getting fuel. You can smell it.
Yeah.
So if we're rolling out the spark, it's going to be some sort of sensor or something. I think that's gone. But again, it's just going to take time to find it.
Yeah.
We love good old Jap stuff. It's
No,
amazing.
yeah.
I hate them.
Yeah. Right, should we see if it's got spark?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got spark. Right, so we just checked 5 of the plugs. 4 were the ones that were in the engine. 1 of them wasn't working. This is the one, so that plug is dead. The car did come with some spare, so we're going to put. So all these 4 coil packs are firing. We do have an ECU in there, new ECU, so we're going to try it with 4 working coil packs that we know are sparking with a new ECU.
Just to point out as well, we did try every single bit of the lube with that one coil pack that was working, so we know that the lube's actually getting power.
Yeah, all the
Then
lube's
switch
getting
it
power.
in.
Yeah.
Just want to try that one again.
And 3, 2, 1, fire! We got it! Fucking hell! Fucking hell, mate! Okay, so we got fuel. I wish I filmed that. It's very high pressure as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
It pulled it off. I was on my phone texting. Felt like someone shot a bullet past my leg. It just went woof, and it went all in his eye. So there's spark and there's fuel. So why the fuck is it not starting?
Only other thing is, it's going to be a sensor. I can't physically see what else it'd be. It's probably staring right in front of our face, but you know, because of tiredness and everything else, it's
And blindness. No.
blindness, yeah.
We're going to actually wire the plug, the proper plug for this, off that spare loom that he gave us, because our stuff yesterday, our quick fix, might have caused a potential issue, so we're going to put the proper plug back on it. We've changed the cam angle sensor as well, so that's new on there.
We're going to have to just, like I said, dig through it, find out what's it. I mean, none of us have heard it start, so we don't know why it failed in the first place.
Yeah.
No. It's got compression. You can hear it's got compression. It sounds quite nice when it's kicking over, but there's just something that's not
happy.
letting it kick in.
Right, so just took the spark plugs out, and there's fuel in the cylinder. So
Yeah.
right, we're going to check the timing because we're at a stage where we don't know what the hell it could be. So we're going to make sure that everything is timed up properly. Okay, annoyingly, the timing is fine. So we've counted the cogs, counted the teeth, and it's all fine. So we literally don't know what it could be. Okay, so after doing all the investigations Jack has found. Please explain what you found, Jack.
The half moon in the exhaust cam for the CAS, it's snapped, but at a point where you can just grab it, but when you turn the key, it just skips. So it needs a new exhaust cam.
So we need a new cam. So for some visual reference, there is a little half moon which sits inside the CAS, which is the cam angle sensor, and that's, you've got a half moon there. On the cam, you should have another half moon flipped on the other side, so they grip each other, correct?
Yeah.
So a lot of what people were saying on the forums is that sometimes that snaps on the cam.
Yeah.
And that will also explain why my engine bollocks in the first place.
That's why it failed.
What I want to know though is when we took it apart, it wasn't there anyway, so he must have took it off.
Yeah, he must have. So that piece that actually snapped off was nowhere to be seen, was it? But there's enough to bite it, so when we turn it, it's going to skip itself, which is why.
Yeah. So there's a little bit left, but it's nothing. It doesn't look like that anymore.
No.
It's
right.
Yeah.
So we need a new exhaust cam. I've just got one of the guys. Okay, so he's actually sent a picture. So here we go, guys. So oh god, yeah, that ours does not look like that. So this is one of the guys on the forums. If you can see, that's what it should look like.
It's just like a little notch.
Yeah, so ours looks nothing like that. So we need this. Luckily he's close, but unluckily I've got to get back to London. But I think these guys might go and get it. He's what, make sure the teeth aren't worn down on yours either. Yeah, like we have, ours looks nothing like that, does it? Oh yeah, so you can't really see it on camera, but you can see where the moon. Oh wait, it snapped as well.
Yeah, so you can
see
see the bottom half should be there. That top half there now is what should be on the cam.
We couldn't use that anyway. Then.
Yeah,
we're gonna have to use one of the other ones.
Well, we can take this backing off.
Yeah, and just change it
for another one.
Colour. But yeah, we need the other ones. I've got to be in London for like 8 o'clock, so I have to go. So annoying, but that you guys are gonna go and pick up that cam.
Yes.
And if the video ends here, it didn't start. If there's a bit left onto the video, it probably means it also didn't start and I'm just rinsing the content. But just film it, and just randomly send me a video on WhatsApp.
Right, okay.
And then I'll insert that.
Yeah.
Or if there's a random video on WhatsApp, I'm gonna record my reaction.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, I've got like a 3-hour drive back down south. So you guys are the best. So they're gonna go and get a cam. What legends? What absolute legends? We all just want it. We all want it.
It's been stressful.
I mean, yeah, you guys want it gone, don't you? Let's be honest.
I want to hear it, mate. To be fair,
I want to hear it, but I'll film it on the camera. It's fine. I've heard it crank, and it sounds good cranking. And when I come pick it up, it'll be just as fun because I can drive it then as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, but I've got to go. Like seriously, got to go. Right. So Rusty sent me a video this morning, and I don't know if he's taking the piss out of me. I don't know what this video is. He sent me a video which makes me think that it started. I've been putting off watching it because I'm so nervous. I can see his little face there. How long is the video?
We swapped that cam over.
It's a minute, great. A whole minute. Right, let's watch this.
And put everything back where it should be. We've bypassed the cold start valve, haven't we? Again, just to rule that out. And now it's actually making some other weird random noise which we've never heard before, have we?
It's the start off, he's taking a piss.
Some CA18 owners, or S13 owners may have heard
he's
it,
taking a
we
piss.
haven't. We're going to show them
It started.
and see if you recognise it. Jack, just show them the noise.
It's just... Yes!
Baby!
Oh my god!
Wait, you getting out of the car, yeah? She's on! So we left the belt off of the power steering just because it'd be noisy because it's not bled up, but... Legally wants to from here. Okay.
Oh, it sounds so healthy!
Oh, Lee, there you go.
I thought it was going to be so rough. Revolution!
She sounds good. Merry Christmas, mate!
Oh mate, honestly, like those guys, like I don't think I've ever worked with anyone or known anyone who has such good work ethic as they have. Like honestly, like a million thanks. I know they'll be watching this video, so honestly guys, like a million thank yous. You guys are You didn't need to do anything like even like last night, like they drove out their way and got a cam and they've stayed till like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, whatever time. Like we were working on until 11 the other day, and they don't need to do that. And I've never worked with a company that's impressed me so much. So Rusty and Jack, thank you so much, guys. I literally said that all I wanted for Christmas was to hear the fucking S13 starting. Oh my god. I can't really hear. I'm gonna have to watch it again. Hang on, I couldn't really hear it on camera through their phone. I'm gonna have to go up and listen to it start, which I will do.